Okay guys, just a quickie. Washing machine is going. Maybe it's a little bit overloaded right now. There are only 2 or 3 items at a time. Then we'll try out the spinner in a minute. This one's from Temu, what you see for $45. That's done, hang on. Out she comes there on the sink. I just cleaned the sink, so that's all right. I've got my other 2 in. It's only a couple of underwear. And then I'll dry it all up again. Maybe a bit messy. Let's see. There's 2 more items to do, and then we'll put the spinner in. So hold 2 seconds, 5 minutes. There we go, that's better. That's a better spin. That's a better one. Now this is only the cheapest one, I think it was $45. There he goes, around. He's working. I'll test out the spinner in a minute. Got 2 more items to do, so 2 items at a time. You don't need to drain out the water. Only trouble is draining out the water. They did not design the back area very well. If you know what I mean. I'll show you in a minute. But just for underwear, there'll be 1 item at a time for the spinner. I've got it on for 5 minutes. Probably 3 minutes would be enough. You're turning it on, you've got to hold the switch down for 2 seconds. And then it'll go to where you want to go. Back in a minute. Okay guys, 3 minutes is much faster than 5. Okay, I'm on the 3-minute mark now. No product name on this one, no product name. But 3 minutes is much, much faster. 3 minutes, I'll see how long it takes to spin. Now, the only design flaw, if there's any, is the drainage hole. You know where the drainage hole is? You gotta have your finger on it, put the tubing on. That's the only design flaw. Otherwise, it's a very good machine. $2. So when you're draining, you've got to be very quick. Stick a finger on it. There should be an outlet valve. Should be a switch or something there. I'll drain it in a minute when it's finished. No, there we go. Much better. Oh, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now, yes, you're not supposed to do sheets or towels. It's only underwear, girls and boys. It's only a good little one in the camper, and then you fold it up, you put it in the underneath the sink. Or in here when you haven't got $2 coin to do your washing. And all you need is your underwear for the next 6 days. Now, I'll drain that out in a minute. I'll come back. Okay, quite a lot of dirt's come out. It's draining out nicely. There we go. There we go, nearly all done. Now we'll put the spinner in. Come over here, we'll put the spinner in. Don't ask me how I put the flash on, I don't know. The flash is on. Now I'll put the spinner in. It goes in like that. 1 or 2 items at a time, so we'll do 2, I think. Or is it 1 at a time? I think it's only 1 at a time, isn't it? It's only 1 at a time. Okay, back in a minute. Hang on. Let's see. One at a time. I don't know why we didn't make it thinner. I need another 2 inches bigger. I really don't know. Maybe another 2 inches, another 2 items. Let's see how large. What is there? Item change. This part for singlets and underwear lifts up. Still only one item, I think. Now let's do that. That's better. Okay, she's not bad, she's not bad. That's got it. Now we know. That lifts up. Oh, I've got to learn how to use these things, guys. Now this would work very well, I think, on the camping generator. But again, only for underwear. Now this is for 8 litres. One item at a time. That's all you can do in the spinner, but the basket lifts up. I thought it must do. Okay, take a minute. Okay, keep your hand on that.